gentlemen, tonight, this quarter, the task for our students, since it is winter time, was to design a snowmobile, and to present that snowmobile not in any way that you usually see snowmobiles, but in a better way. So all performances are inspired by show tunes.
Let's get down to business to promote C1. Hides the sense of struggle when we ask for none. Once you find your center, you are sure to win. It's a silent gigantic mobile, and you haven't got a clue. Somehow we make a fool out of you. All I can shoot, and here's the best we can do. There's no wind to do. Let's let this slide.
Enjoy snowy day.
It's our flaming will. Snowmobile.
Hakuna Matata.
A snowmobile?
Yeah, it's a remote.
What's a motor?
Nothing. What's the problem with you? What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Enjoy snowy day.
It makes no shadow on your fantasy sheet.
Thank you, Caesar.
Our flaming well. Hakuna Matata.
Stupid global warming. What am I gonna do? Oh yes, I'll tell my sister to build me a new one. We want to build a snowmobile. Come on, I sank mine. All the snow is melted and there's nothing I can do. We used to build together, but now we don't. I wish you could tell me why. Do you want to build a snowmobile? It doesn't have to be a snowmobile.
I'm busy, Anna.
Oh wait, it's sinking again. It's a submarine too.
Here's the tools that you will need, and you will need a lot. And let's face it, who doesn't need a snowmobile? It's pretty sick and state of the art. And when someone needs a professor, I simply have to take over. I know exactly what they need.
But he's so tall.
6,
He can tell me double or
6. Special agent.
This might be our biggest crowd ever, so thank you all very much for coming, and enjoy your weekend. All right, thanks everybody. Have a great night.